In this tutorial, we will show you how to send data from your bot to any other system using Pabbly. In this tutorial, we will send data from your bot to Google Sheets, but the process is the same for any other apps. Let me show you. First, go to Integration in the Settings section and connect Pabbly. This will require you to log into your Pabbly account. Now, let us create a flow where we will send data to Pabbly using Pabbly Action. Here, we are going to select Pabbly Trigger. This action will send data to Pabbly. Let's publish our flow and proceed to Pabbly to create our workflow. Let us search for our app and select New Trigger Pabbly Event. We need to connect our account by inputting our account access token. After connecting our account, make sure you select the correct Pabbly event. This is the Pabbly trigger action we created in our flow. Now we need to search for Google Sheet action, select Add Row, and connect our Google account. Select the correct spreadsheet and map all data correctly. Let's save our workflow and proceed to test our flow. Our data was successfully sent to Google Sheet. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.